Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread in my classic hourly happy planner for the week of Monday the 17th through the 23rd, where I used good habits along with these gorgeous florals. I really like how it turned out. Now this week for the 24th through the 30th, I'll be going for layered florals. So I really want to use some of these greens, some of these purples and pinks, and gonna be combining that with jewel tone boxes. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I do want to do is actually start putting down my meetings for the day. So I have Monday off because it is Victoria Day in Canada. So I have one will have to be moved. And that one. Okay, I can move a meeting. I'm already looking ahead. I'm like, I can move a meeting. So I just want to actually make sure that these match, the colors match what's in here. And if they don't, well, poo. Okay. So let's see what I can do. I can use that. I just want to see what's available for me to use. I can't even speak. For me, the theme that I want to use is in the back, so these ones. So I don't know already, right off the bat, I don't know if they'll all work. The pinks may work. I can make the pink work. The blue, no, because there's no blue. No, it's really pink, purple, or green. And some of this green may, actually, yeah, all of these will work. I like the ombre effects of the green. This can totally work. And then the purple, not as much, but I'll see what I can do. Okay, so let's go with green first of all. On Tuesday, so I'm off Monday. Tuesday I've got a meeting from 9 to 10:15, 10:30, 11:30, 12, 2:15, and 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 meetings between 9 and 3:30. So let's see what we have for pink, because I said pink might work, right? Yeah, pink would work. It's just a matter of the sizes of them. Ooh, I like this, but just looking at it now, that pink really doesn't work. No, I think the only boxes that would work are probably green, unless I can see what's in here. And already I'm doubting what will work. Okay, this could work. I just want to see. Move this out of the way. So from 9 to 3. Oh, that actually works out perfectly. So this will be from 9 to 3:30. Perfect. Then I have on the Wednesday a 9:30, a 10 o'clock. I'm actually going to move that now. I've cut my calendar next to me. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to move this to Wednesday. Save this and following event. Oh, not just this event. Okay. Perfect. Sorry, you guys are seeing me change things in real time on my calendar. So I have a 9:30, a 10 o'clock, an 11 o'clock, 11:30. I only have 6 meetings that day, which actually isn't too bad. So now the pinks won't work. The purples, I'm iffy, but these could possibly. It's just a matter of the sizing. So I think I could do 9:30. Let's see, 9:30 and 10. I feel like these would encompass. I could put 4 in here, or hold it. I could put 9:30 and 10 o'clock here. Then I have a 11 o'clock and 11:30. So I could put 2 here. And then I have a 1230, which at that point I feel like I just need a tiny, tiny one. And I don't have, oh, I don't have like little dots, do I? Do I? No. Oh, hold on. Yes, I do. Now, where are my tweezers? I feel like it's great that you guys can see this whole process on camera, because then you can see me messing around in the background trying to figure out where all of my stuff is. So a 12:30. And then I have a team meeting at 2. So actually, I didn't need to use this. You can go back. And I can take dark green for the 2 o'clock. Perfect. Then let's go to Thursday. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So could I do pink? I'm just trying to see what's available in these boxes, because I do want to make use of the boxes that are in here. I just don't think I can, unfortunately. Unless I'm thinking this purple could be for the morning, so between 10 and 1, that will do. I will have to, I'll probably white that out, that's fine. Okay, and then I have a, let's find the, oh, find the purple in here, because I think I could make the purple work. There we go. I have a 2 o'clock, a coaching. Oops. See, this is why you need tweezers. 2 o'clock coaching. And then I have a team meeting at 4 and a one-on-one as well. So there's 2 things happening in there. Okay. And then Friday, I just have the 1 meeting at 10 o'clock. Now, this is before anything else is going to come into the work day, so we will see. Let's add a green. The green seems to work well. And 1 right at 10 o'clock. Okay. So that is the functional piece of the whole spread. So now I feel like I can go ahead and start decorating with all of these gorgeous florals. So those, as well as these really pretty leaves. So maybe I will combine them, or just put one massive floral here. Pretty. And then this one, oops, this one I feel like I'm going to place this up at the top here. Yeah, actually here for the day off. Because then I feel like on the sides I could use some boxes. Okay, so let's find what boxes will work here. Boxes. I like these. Yes, I like these all. Gosh, I've used so much of this. I'm grateful that I've used so much of this. So careful. I'm gonna place this like this, and this will be for, I guess, any notes or anything that comes up. Then let's see. You know what? Let's just go to the decoration. You know what? I was gonna use this theme for literally the whole week. I don't think I can with how much of these florals are left. There's barely any left for me to be able to use, but these, Are these available somewhere else? I feel like they are, but I've already used so many. Stay. I'm just talking to myself. So I'm going to put today here, and then I'm going to put this up here. Maybe this. Okay, I'm gonna put this here, and I'm going to find which book had all of those lovely quotes. Hold on. This here. So I'm gonna take out pressed florals, and I'm actually, see, that's what I'm looking for. But I feel like I have another pressed florals that has been used already, so I don't want to use a new one if I still have this open. Okay, love that. So what do I want to use? I want purple. Press on. Oh, that says collect happy moments. And then down here, let's maybe use a bigger quote. Just bloom. Although I did want to stick to just the green and the pink. But there's somebody trying to call me. I'm still trying to think about which quotes I want to use. I might. Ooh, I like the bloom and grow because it is purple, and I really like the pink as well. I think I'm just going to leave that. I won't take too much from it. Got Lucy in here now. So, feed your soul, do what you love. I feel like this is really relevant to me right now. Okay, and then this corner is really empty, so I feel like that's where the floral, or a floral, needs to go, or at least some leaves. This is where I want to bring in these leaves because they are pretty, but they're a different sort of green. So I may save those for a different spread altogether. What am I looking for? Okay, so let's add some of these greens actually to the spread itself. Might as well use what I've got here. Yeah, let's use it all up. I hate doing that though. Part of me is like, use it all up, and then another part of me is like, I don't wanna. I actually don't feel like this will fit anywhere now. I feel like I'm gonna save this for maybe the dashboard and see what I can do with that. But I can put maybe a big box in that corner for anything that I want to write. Where did Lucy go? There she is. So maybe take this, and there was another floral box that I wanted, but there we go. I think I'm going to take this. Careful. And place it like this, as straight as possible, and then place this one right on top as well. And I feel like that is a good use of this space. Because the thing is, I have Monday off, so I will really only need dailies for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I doubt I'll even do the dailies for all of those. Maybe just do the daily for Tuesday and Wednesday, or just do 2 dailies and see what ends up happening. So I'll put it to do up here. All right, actually, I really like that. I'm gonna keep it like that. Simple. The process for it though was not, but it is pretty simple. So these are all the books that I used today. Normally I try to stick to 1 or 2, but that was a little bit more than usual. All right, I actually really like that. Love florals. Anyway, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like this crazy plan with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.